Hi guys, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have an amazing day. Today is the day I teach you how to make some weetabix. It is currently 7 a.m. in the morning. If you can't see there, it's 7 a.m. in the morning and I've gotta go in quite a bit of a minute. Now you're probably thinking, what are you gonna eat for breakfast? What are you gonna have for breakfast? Well, I've chosen the cereal of choice. It's none other than the good old weetabix. Now I do create them in these containers only because of, what are you thinking? And everything's looking blessed. We then add a bit of sugar. We add a bit of sugar just like so. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Sprinkle it all over. Here we go. Marvelous. Oops, we made a bit of a mess. Not to worry, we'll clean that up very, very soon. We open the fridge with the milk. We grab the milk. Once we grab the milk, it is pretty heavy, hence why I've got them arms. Alrighty then, let's go. We open, now I've got to do this very, very skillfully. I've got to mix it in, mix it in, mix it in. Oh, okay. While getting the shot, that's not to worry, not to worry, not to worry. Just keep the second bits. Keep it steady now, keep it steady. Marvelous, brilliant news. I've got a bad habit of doing that, 7:01 at the minute. Alrighty then, let's grab the weetabix. Grab the weetabix. Close it. That's the one. Pour it in for a good minute and now we press start. Now as you'll notice there'll be some waves pushing out this way. Don't get too worried. It's only wind. Alright guys, hope you have an amazing day. That is how you make weetabix. That's how you start a brilliant day. And yeah, if you did enjoy this, don't expect too many more because I'm just not gonna probably not be awake at this time. I hope I do. And I hope my battery levels do persist during the day. It's a long day, so we need to be energetic and everything you already know. Hope you have an amazing day. Bye guys.